Sinking driveway, settling patio, collapsing stoop, uneven pool deck. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 9th of March. I'm James Spann. Rain over east and south Alabama will be ending very early this morning. A decent chunk of this day will be dry for the northern half of the state. The next headline, that cold front coming in here Friday night. We go in the deep freeze this weekend, and yes, a chance of snow for parts of Alabama as the cold air arrives. So let's unpack everything. We'll talk about it. This is the upper air look across the country early this morning. And you can see that we've got troughing moving through areas north of the state. Had some pretty rough weather on the Gulf Coast overnight. That was the radar composite this morning about 5 o'clock. Had a few tornado warnings. In fact, as I speak, there's a tornado warning for parts of Barber County. Got a severe storm with rotation that will be passing near or just north of Eufaula. But that activity will be moving out of the state and should be mostly gone by the time you watch this. For the northern half of the state, the air is still cool and stable. Haleyville 41, but on the other side of that front, we've got 70 at Tallahassee, 69 for Dothan. And again, we had some scattered wind damage with thunderstorms overnight in that broad zone from Mobile and Baldwin counties over to the Wiregrass. There's a look at the tornado watch that is in effect for a couple of hours. And again, this might be canceled by the time you watch this. This is for Southeast Alabama and parts of North Florida. Elsewhere, winter storm warnings in effect for parts of Missouri, Kansas, Nebraska, Wyoming, and Idaho. And that cold air is moving south, and we're going to feel that this weekend. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. The main risk is east and southeast of Alabama as those storms keep on moving to the east. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over North Florida. And then on day 3, Friday and Friday night, we have a risk of severe storms across parts of the southeast United States. This is for the storms that form in advance of the front. The higher severe weather probabilities in Alabama are in that slight risk, level 2 out of 5, south of a line from Mobile to Phoenix City. There is a marginal risk Friday night as far north as Thomasville, Prattville, and Roanoke. We don't expect any severe storms over the northern half of the state with the front Friday night. Here's the QPF precipitation for the next 7 days. Heaviest rain across the southeastern states over South Georgia and North Florida, and a lot of that is to do with the rain that will be falling today. For the northern half of Alabama, rain amounts for the next 7 days, 1/2 to 1 inch, over 1 inch for the south. So model fans, there we go, the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 4. Again, troughing to the north. That wave on the front is moving on to the east, and for most of the state, today will be cloudy and cool with highs in the 50s. Showers confined to extreme South Alabama this afternoon, south of the front. Tomorrow should be a pretty decent day. That'll be the best day of the week. Partly sunny, noticeably warmer, highs in the mid to upper 60s. Pretty nice day. Friday will be close to 70, maybe low 70s in spots. And again, a decent part of the day Friday will be dry and very pleasant. And here comes the front Friday night with rain. The surface low showing up around Randolph County in East Alabama. The better chance of any severe weather will be south of that. And that's why you got that risk of severe storms over the southern half of the state. North Alabama, just rain, maybe some thunder. And yep, in the cold air, snow will be falling Friday night at midnight. West Tennessee and North Mississippi. So let's jump ahead to Saturday morning at 9 o'clock. And you can see the chance of some light snow in the colder air over about the northern half of the state. This is the GFS look. Here's the European, very similar. And the 12-kilometer NAM, very similar. So Saturday's going to be very cold. The northern half of the state will be in the 30s most of the day. Light snow to start the day. Could there be any accumulation? Well, this is the 12-kilometer NAM, suggesting parts of the Tennessee Valley might get an inch on the grass. Maybe a little bit as far south as Birmingham. But let's look at the national blend of models. Again, you want to use the ensemble approach, and this is the best way to look at it. And again, maybe up to an inch on the grass in parts of the Tennessee Valley. Maybe a little bit, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, and grassy areas. Not expecting any major travel impact. The roads will be just wet. Could there be a touch of bridge icing over the Tennessee Valley? Yes. Huntsville, the Shoals, Athens, Decatur, places like that. So just be aware if you're traveling Saturday morning. But again, for most locations. The roads just wet. Keep in mind, Friday will be in the low 70s. The soil temperatures are going to be warm. That's going to limit accumulation potential. And again, this is a case where cold air is kind of chasing the departing moisture, and that rarely brings any really big snows here. But no doubt everybody will be talking about that. There might be a few snowflakes as far south as Demopolis, Clanton, and Roanoke Saturday morning. Then by Saturday afternoon, we clear, and again, we stay in the 30s. Wind chill indices near freezing all day Saturday. And then Sunday will be a clear day, but Sunday morning's going to be cold. We start the day in the 20s all the way down to the Gulf Coast. We could see some upper teens for parts of North Alabama. Growers beware. We'll say the range for the northern half of the state looks to be between about 18 and 25 early Sunday morning. But then Sunday, we warm up into the 50s with a sunny sky. Monday, we'll call it partly sunny. We go back in the 60s. And then a short wave or an upper low will be coming through here Tuesday with a chance of showers, maybe some thunder. Don't expect any severe weather with that feature. And then this is a week from today, Wednesday the 16th. That upper low is on to the east, and we are mostly dry with showers exiting. Temperature should be around 70. We'll go out 10 days, Friday of next week, the 18th, troughing approaching, and a batch of storms coming in here. Remains to be seen if we have any severe weather with that. That's 10 days out, and this could easily change. But this is March, and you have to watch any system that comes through this time of the year. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 23rd of March. Just for the fun of it, this is the snow output for Birmingham, and almost all the members show a few snowflakes around here Saturday morning. Look at the numbers drop like a rock over the weekend. 72 for the high Friday, 41 for the high Saturday. And again, I really think from Birmingham north, most places will be in the 30s all day. And the NBM here, the National Blend of Models, has 23 for Birmingham Sunday morning. But then we warm right back up. Cold snaps don't last long this time of the year. Highs go back in the 70s over the latter half of next week. And the latest CPC outlook. This will make the spring fans happier here. This is for the 16th through the 22nd of March. Temperatures will likely be above average during that time frame. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.